How to use lens flare in Picsart. Looking to add a dramatic or sunny highlight? Here's how to use lens flare in Picsart. Open your photo in Picsart and click on the Effects tab. Scroll down to find lens flare and click to apply. Drag the flare around to position it where the light source would realistically be in your photo. You can adjust the brightness, size, and color for a more natural or creative look. Once it looks perfect, hit apply to finish your edit. Do you use flares in portraits or landscapes? Tell us in the comments below. Lens flare works based on images with strong directional lighting for a realistic feel. And that's how you can use lens flare in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.